Hi, in this video we will be making small and big boats. I'm using scrap wood for my boats. Transfer the pattern onto the wood. Hollow out the middle part of the boat with a Dremel or with a router. Sand the edges smooth. Now you can cut out the shape on the bandsaw or scroll saw. Use the belt sander to sand down onto the line. Tilt your table to 9 degrees. Now you can cut away the edge. Tilt your table on the belt sander to 10 degrees and sand away the bandsaw marks. Sand the top and the bottom of the boat smooth. Now I will make a small block to go on top of the boat. Sand the block smooth on the belt sander. Drill an 8mm hole for an 8mm dowel. Stick it to the boat with double-sided tape and drill the 8mm hole in the boat. This way you will be sure it's aligned. My dowel is not perfectly 8mm, so I'm sanding it down until it fits. Cut it to length. Put it in your drill and round it over on the belt sander. Now you can glue the dowel and the block in place and your boat is ready. Okay, now let's make a bigger boat. I'm using colored veneer to give it a nice touch. I'm using 2 layers of normal wood and 3 layers of rainbow wood. Glue it all together with wood glue. Transfer the shape onto the wood and round out the inner part of the boat. Okay, that went well, so now I can cut it out on the bandsaw.
It's RSM.
Again, sand away the bandsaw marks on the belt sander. First I cut it on the bandsaw and then I give it more shape on the belt sander and remove the bandsaw marks. Now I've tilted my table to 20 degrees and I'm cutting off the edge. And I'm sanding it on the belt sander on 30 degrees. Now it's time for a bit of hand sanding before we do anything else. Let's make a little cabin for the boat. Drill an 8mm hole on the top for a dowel and drill two 9mm holes on the sides as windows. Here I'm using the trick with the double-sided tape again to align the hole in the boat. If you like the mini-series and all the toys I'm making in it, please be sure to share all the videos with your friends. It helps me a lot. And give the videos a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Measure the dowel, cut the dowel and glue it all in place. To finish it all off, put some mineral oil on it and see the colors pop. Hi, thanks for watching the first video of Prepare Yourself for Christmas. If you like these boats, you can make them yourself. Become a patron and I'll give you the plans. I'll see you tomorrow in a new video of Prepare Yourself for Christmas. Santa's Workshop, tuning out. Bye!